Hey, I recently purchased a 5-foot Mega Rising voltage stabilizer on Shopee. It's listed as 21,000 microfarads on its box, but when I connect it to a multimeter, it's only 10.37 millifarads. It should be 21 if it's real. If it is 21,000 microfarads, but it appears it only has 10.37 millifarads. So I decided to replace the capacitors with this. So here it is. I'm done replacing the capacitors with 54700s 25 volts capacitors. Then here it is. It's 23.9 what I call this, millifarads, 23.8 to 23.9 millifarads. It's about 23,000 microfarads. So this is good as the legit Mega Rising. So this is about it. I'm gonna install the keys and it's done. I'm done installing the keys. I've tested again. So here it is. It's 22.89 millifarads. So this is trash. These 5, what you call this, super condensers are fake. I'm gonna trash this now. And look at this. Look at this. It's good as the original one. Now that I've installed it, it's completely working. Good thing I've replaced the first one because the LED display was broken. Now this is how you modify 5-volt Mega Rising so it'll function like the original, because this is a Chinese version. So this is about it. It's done. Thanks for watching.